AGT?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
AGT Luck.
AGT Luck, yeah.
My name is Roberta Battaglia, and I'm 10 years old.
Now, what are you going to be doing here today?
I'm gonna be singing.
You're going to be singing. Now, do you get your singing talent from your mom?
No. I get it from my dad. It really all started when I was 3.5. My dad is an engineer at a local radio station. And he would sing at restaurants, and I would sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star when he would leave the microphone on the floor.
She had the courage to be in front of people and start singing a song.
From then on, I loved singing, and I just learned more songs.
She gets her talent 100% from Dad. I just worked for one of the airlines. I can't sing on key at all.
So proud of it. Enjoy every moment.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, it's your dream.
Thank you.
When was the first time you saw America's Got Talent and said, I want to be on that show?
When I was little, I would just watch it, and I would say, oh my gosh, Mom, I want to be there one day, and here I am now. I feel like I'm just dreaming, but it's actually real life, and I can't believe it.
So you nervous? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
You are. Knowing that she's about to sing first time in Cowell, I think I'm more nervous than she is. But he just tells the truth. And sometimes it's hard to hear the truth, but that should just give you more drive to succeed to where you want to be in a couple of years. And this is your dream, right? So go for it.
Yeah.
Okay?
I might only be 10 years old, but I have big dreams.
Okay, go out there and show them what you got, okay? Thank you so much.
Let me just say, I love you and I watch you on Modern Family. I just adore you.
Thank you so much. I am so happy that you're here. You look nervous. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What?
10? Oh my
Are
God,
you
of course you have to be nervous. And where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
So what are you going to do today?
Today I'm gonna sing Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper.
Oh, wow. Have you thought what you're going to do if you win the $1 million?
I really want to give my dog, whose name is Happy, a little girlfriend.
Your dog's called Happy. What a great name.
It's a great name.
What sort of dog is he?
He's a Morkie, half Maltese, half Yorkie.
I love that.
Okay, good luck. Let's hear you.
Okay, thank you.
She's very sweet.
Sorry. Wow, she's so nervous, though. Oh my gosh. Whew.
Do you want some water?
Thank you.
Hey, brother, let me give you a little water. Would you like some water?
Look how tiny she is.
She's 10.
I have a 10-year-old. She would never get on that stage.
No.
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I found myself longing
Just shut your eyes
for change. In all the bad times I fear myself. I'm up the deep end, watching I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface, waking at us. We're far from the shallow now.
I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing what you just did.
It was so beautiful.
Your talent is unbelievable. Your age is unbelievable. This moment is unbelievable.
That wasn't you singing, was it?
No.
It wasn't someone behind you.
Like Lady Gaga.
It was me.
It really was you. You know what? You are so likable, so humble, bearing in mind you've got this, you must have great friends.
And great parents.
But sometimes I do get bullied, so.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you know, we hear this unfortunately a lot, but there's one way you win over bullies. It's by being happy and successful. You know that. Bullies are always threatened about talented people. So in a weird way, it's a compliment. And it shows your strength that you've come all the way from Canada to be here. And we are honored to have you as our guest.
It was always my dream to be on AGT, you know? Sorry, that's coming true.
What did you think?
It was amazing. It was breathtaking. You're 10 years old. That's impossible to sing like that at 10 years old. And you know what? Let's see who is going to bully you after this.
And if you happen when you walk away, talk about it somewhere only we know. 'Cause this could be the end of everything. So walk away, somewhere only we know.
Hey, Dad.
I got the golden buzzer.
It's right here.
Look, these are the confetti.